Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to play back your recording in your CP Plus DVR. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you don't know how to play back the recording of this CCTV camera, then I'll show you simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to right click on this screen, then click on this search option. After that, here you need to select your camera, and here you can see here you just need to select the date of the recording when you want to play the playback. Select the date. After selecting the date, you can select the camera. Suppose camera 1, camera 2. You can select the camera from here. If you want only single camera, just select this option, then select your camera 1. If you want to play back all 4 cameras, you can select this option, then click on play. You can see this color, you can select on this. If you want to fast playback, you can select this double arrow mark. You just need to click on this multiple times. You can play back this multiple options. You can see here date and time, how much speed it is playing back. That's it guys. So in this way you can play back your recording in your CP Plus NVR. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.